Nature's Garden Blueberry Cheesecake Fragrance Oil. The scent of sweet, yummy decadence starts with Tahitian vanilla, rich, creamy butter, and ripe blueberries atop a crumbly graham cracker crust. Our customers create berry decadent products with this fragrance, including amazing decorative candles, beautiful handmade soaps, refreshing and invigorating bath and body products, and room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.